Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Magic of One Click. So today we are going to type 108th program of HTML. So let's get started. We have to first open the notepad. So we'll open it and now we'll type the program. How to use date, date time and local in web forms. We'll start with doctype HTML, HTML tag, head tag, title tag, and now we'll end title tag. Now we'll end head tag, body tag, form action equals to welcome.html, input type equals to month, name equals to month. Now break tag, select time, input type equals to time, name equals to live time, and now we'll use break tag, select work, select week, input type equals to week year, and now we'll use break tag, break tag, enter points, equals to input type equals to range, equals to range, name equals to point, value equals to 90, now we'll use break tag, input type equals to submit, form, and we'll end body tag and similarly the HTML tag. So now we'll just save it as 108 and with the extension .html and in all files. So now let us check the output. So local disk D, HTML and 108th program. So this is our basic output. If we click on here, it will show us, and we'll click on May 2020 and select time for live 23 hours, 17 hours and 5 minutes. Select week, we'll select the week, that is 5, and enter point, we'll enter the point, and if we click on submit, it will submit the data. So this is our basic output of how to use date and date time and local in web forms. And don't forget to check the tags in description for the clear and basic understanding, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.